Hey guys, it's Maymay, and today's top tip has to do with using your stickers. You guys know how much I love stickers and how I use them for every little thing that I do. And I want to show you how to make them really pop. The cool thing about these stickers is that they typically have a white offset around them. So you can see how around the kitty cat, around his whiskers, there's that white. But sometimes they don't pop on our project. Sometimes we're doing them on white cardstock, or they just don't really pop off of the page. So let me show you something you can do. And I've shown this before in videos. I do it all the time, but it was reminded to me recently. So what you can do is you can stick your sticker down to a solid color piece of paper, and you can then fussy cut around it, leaving another offset. And this really will cause your sticker to pop off the page because it kind of gives it a matte. Now, if you're not someone who likes to fussy cut, no stress. If you have a Brother Scanny Cut machine, you can take your stickers, you can stick them to a page, and I've done this before in a video. You can stick them down to a cardstock page, and then you can cut them out just like you would if they were directly on the page. The Scanny Cut recognizes the white edge, and you can set an offset around it, and it will absolutely do all of this work for you. But I want to show you the other thing. This is a lot easier than you think it is. You do not have to cut every little wiggle and spot on this kitty cat, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So we're almost back to the top. Let's get these ears cut out. Okay, so what I mean about every wiggle and every little spot. So here on the kitty, you can see how the whiskers have those little blip, blip, blips like that. That's exactly what those are. You don't have to do it. Just cut around it and it looks just fine. Now, if you want to put this on something white or something dark, it will pop. And see how much it pops off the page? Perfect. That's my tip. Matte and fussy cut your stickers and get another layer of color for your project. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And remember, subscribe to this channel. Once we reach 100,000 subscribers on this channel, we're giving away a cutting machine of the winner's choice, either a scan and cut, a silhouette, or a Cricut. So be sure to subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.